We start with introducing the sleek and sophisticated world of the Roadrunner Pro Carry-On 20 inches. This exceptional travel companion is more than just luggage, it's a statement of style and functionality. Join us as we explore the smart design, durable construction, and innovative features that make this carry-on a must-have for any adventurer. From effortless glides through airports to seamless organization, the Roadrunner Pro is ready to elevate your travel experience. Pack your wanderlust and let's hit the road together. 100% aluminum telescoping ergonomic handle with 4 levels for effortless control and maneuverability. Equipped with top and side easy grab handles. Bumper feet on side for protecting the case. Spacious packing interior. Split case designed with 2 roomy fully lined compartments. Zipper mesh pocket allows items to be neatly organized. Stylish. Sleek YKK zipper. Duo of zipper pockets. Snug elastic closure. Built-in USB port. Padded front pocket. Secure your 15.6 inches laptop or tablet with a simple push. 2 small pockets, 3.7 inches by 8.3 inches, fits power bank and small items. Built-in TSA code lock with smooth zipper for security during international travel. Meets most domestic and international airlines regulations. Equipped with smooth zippers for easy access for your items. Connect on the go. Built-in USB port for charge accessibility. This case lays out a simple yet savvy space for you to stash and dash with all your essentials. Note, power bank not included, 100% PC hardshell. 3 layers of German-made Macrolon polycarbonate, lightweight. 4.2 kilograms. Flexible and tough. Micro diamond textured design minimizes unwanted marks during check-in. 4 silent universal double wheels. 360 degrees rotation. Effortless and noiseless. Sturdy and durable. Shock absorbing structure. This suitcase has 5 special colors, which can reflect your own taste. Black. Dark gray. Navy. Pickle green. And a beautiful pink. The 40-liter Roadrunner Pro 20 inches case is certainly the best case we have reviewed and tested to date. Highly recommended. If you are interested in this product, please get the link to the product in the description below. Tripped compression packing cubes for travel. Compression packing bags are a packing essential for travel. They are especially useful as a backpack, luggage and suitcase organizer. Keep different outfits in separate compression cubes and always be ready for what's next. Easily pack away clothing like raincoats/heavier jackets that are not used as often. Use empty cubes to pack dirty laundry in and keep your suitcase or backpack organized. Compression packing cubes help you with packaging your clothes for upcoming trips by compressing the air out of them. These are not your typical vacuum bags. These expandable cubes use a 2-zipper system to help eliminate the extra bulk when packing your luggage. The zippers literally compress your clothes together and eliminate wasted space. Skip the extra fees of a checked-in bag. Eliminate the bulk and use a carry-on instead. Each set contains a different assortment of packing cubes. The 6-piece sets come in various colors: white and green, navy blue and white, gray and orange, gray and brown, graphic, dusty teal and white, dusty rose, national park. Our ripstop polyurethane fabric stands up to non-stop travel. It is ultra lightweight and durable, and as well as being more reliable than even nylon alternatives for packing cubes. Additionally, polyurethane fabric is water resistant to help keep moisture out of your clothes wherever they're packed. Zipper on the packing cubes all have reinforced zipper stops. Zippers used for expanding and compressing function of bags have been reinforced with double stitching. Large bag holds a week's worth of shirts. Medium holds a week's worth of underwear and socks. Example, large holds rain jacket, zip hoodie, long sleeve t-shirt, and a cardigan. Small will hold 5 women's size medium t-shirts. Set includes 2 large cubes, 2 small cubes, 1 laundry bag, 1 tube cube. Step 1. Fill cube. Step 2. Zip closed. Step 3. Use zipper to compress and remove air. Step 4. Off you go. The laundry bag is an excellent addition. Just stuff your dirty laundry in the bag and compress. Voila! Problem solved. Long-haul flights can be challenging, especially when it comes to finding that perfect position to rest your weary legs. We're about to elevate your in-flight comfort to new heights with this ingenious airline footrest. The Angemay Airline Footrest should become your ultimate travel companion because it turns your cramped seat into a cozy haven for relaxation and well-deserved comfort. Let's now dive into the details and discover why the airline footrest is a game-changer for every wanderlust-filled journey. 1. Hook the strap of the footrest to the seat and snap the buckle. 2. Adjust the length of the footrest strap to fit your feet height. 3. Lengthening your feet, float your legs, swing your legs to relieve fatigue. Lightweight and compact. The footrest uses a space-saving design. It can easily fold and fit into your carry-on luggage or favorite flight travel bag. Includes a handy drawstring pouch to store both the footrest. The footrest can also be effectively used on trains, long-distance coaches, and last but not least, the office. We are now going to introduce a popular carry-on bag, a travel marvel that not only holds your essentials in style but seamlessly transforms into a sports gym tote at the drop of a hat. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or hitting the local gym, this bag is your trusty sidekick. Join us as we briefly explore the sleek design, multifunctional compartments, and durability that make this carry-on a game-changer for every journey and workout session. Elevate your travel and fitness experience with the perfect blend of style and functionality. Integrated trolley sleeve, easy to attach to your carry-on luggage handle, making airport travel a breeze. This weekender travel bag has 6 multiple internal and 2 external organizational pockets, which ensure you have a place for everything. You can carry it onto an airplane. It has a capacity of 35 liters and can accommodate 3 to 5 days of travel items. It comes with a removable adjustable strap, which is perfect. You can carry it as shoulder bag, handbag or cross bag, whichever suits the occasion. It's made of high-quality tear and water-resistant nylon fabric. We highly recommend this bag and encourage you to add it to your travel accessories and for your visits to the gym. You will find the link to this bag in the description below. Pack your bags and join us on the ultimate journey with Travel Food Wine. As we jet set to exotic destinations all around the world, we'll immerse ourselves in the heart of its culture, uncover hidden gems, and of course, indulge in the finest local cuisines paired with exquisite wines. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our upcoming explorations, where we'll weave the tales of travel, gastronomy, and wine into a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. So, whether you're a travel enthusiast, a foodie, or a wine connoisseur, welcome to the Travel Food Wine community. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and let's embark on a journey of flavors, stories, and destinations. Until then, this is Travel Food Wine, where every adventure begins with a plate and ends with a toast. Cheers!